Equivalent fractions using number chips. This is a pirate-themed version. And this is a digital lesson that teaches students how to find equivalent fractions. And it's a lot of fun for them. They can move these colorful chips around their screen. So it starts with explaining how to simplify a fraction. So they want to make the numbers smaller. So they want to find a common factor that they can divide from both the numerator and the denominator. So starting on slide 3, they're going to be moving these chips. And every slide has every number that the students need. So if they get to the end and the numbers aren't working, they know they've made an error somewhere and they need to go back and check. So here, if they simplify and they divide numerator and denominator by 4, they want to use the 1, so they're going to click and hold on the edge of the 1. And 12 divided by 4 would be 3, so click and hold on the edge of the 3. And then they can move these easily into place. And they're going to do the same with the other 3. So there are a couple more slides where they're just going to be simplifying each fraction. And then it shows them how to take a fraction that's greater than 1 and change it to a mixed number. So they have to divide. 8 will go into 12 one time with 4/8 left over. And then they have to make sure that they're simplifying that fraction for their final answer. So when they get to the next slide, they're going to be doing that. And the whole number will be here on the left. So 6 goes into 26 4 times. So I'm going to move the 4. 6 times 4 is 24. And that leaves 2 left over. That would be 2/6, which they can simplify to 1/3. So that's where some of them are going to struggle a little bit, making sure their answer is simplified. So they've got 4 problems there. They're going to change to a mixed number. And then they're shown how to take a mixed number and change it back to a regular fraction with the numerator larger than the denominator. So here they take the denominator, multiply times the whole number, and add the numerator. And then that denominator stays the same. So they're going to be doing that on the next slide. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So they're going to move the 13, and then their denominator stays the same. And so on. Now on the final slide, they've got some letter chips. And so this is a riddle that they can solve if they finish the rest of the slide deck. And it's about pirates. So why do pirates love to binge watch TV shows? And they're going to see if they can figure out the answer by moving the letter chips into place. So this is the pirate-themed version of equivalent fractions using number chips.